Hello everyone, welcome to Proctored Exam Help. If you are wondering how to cheat on math calculus tests or cheating with math calculus exam is possible, this video is your answer. Today in this video, we are going to show you the undeniable proofs of cheating on math calculus exam. Today, in this era of proctoring advancement, it's not easy to cheat on math calculus exam with old tips and tricks. Now, cheating on math calculus test only works with more advanced techniques. Now, the next question that comes to mind is how this method of cheating on math calculus works. How it is possible to bypass the Proctorio to cheat math algebra exam. By using technical expert method, one can bypass the Proctorio to cheat math algebra test. In this method, one can take the services of the Exam Rabbit technical team to bypass the Proctorio, and this is done by installing custom software to remotely control the host computer. One may ask, is cheating on a math calculus exam safe with the technical expert method? The answer is yes. The technical expert method is one of the safest methods to cheat on online proctored exams. As the software used in this method is undetectable by proctoring software, that's why there is zero chance of being caught. So if you are struggling with your math calculus test preparations, you can take the cheat of services of Exam Rabbit. It is as simple as contacting examrabbithelp@gmail.com or just visit examrabbithelp.com to fill the exam help request form. Before getting the services, you may have questions in your mind that is Exam Rabbit legit. Answer is 100% yes. We offer the following testimonial to prove our legitimacy. Exam Rabbit can show you the results of previously taken tests for our clients. We can give you a dry run to show you our expertise to bypass the proctoring software. We can provide you a cheat sheet of the math calculus exam where you can check the actual questions of your exam. Last but not the least, we don't ask for upfront payments, and this makes us different from scammers. So if you want to pass the math calculus test with flying colors, don't hesitate to contact us now. Thanks for watching this video.